Today I'm going to show you how I created this amazing Minecraft microworld design using Adobe Photoshop. Let's dive right into it. You need to create the base block. Start by making a square selection and fill it with a grass texture. Then create another layer below it and add a dirt texture for the sides. Finally, add a layer at the bottom with a bedrock texture to complete the base block. Then adding some shadows and highlights to give that terrain effect and to make it like it's 3D. Now, it's time to add the characters and objects. I used various images of Minecraft characters like Steve, a skeleton, and a dog. Place them appropriately on the block to create a dynamic scene. Don't forget to add shadows for a more realistic look.
Drop that shit. Drop that.
At the end, I'll show you a quick layers breakdown so you can see what every layer contains in the process. And there you have it, a Minecraft microworld design made entirely in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.